Wow, does that feel good, guys? What feels good? All right, let me show you. Me and Lit. There's Lit right there. What is Lit and I doing today? Let me show you. We are getting foot massages. 1 hour foot massage. I've never done a foot massage, like a 1 hour foot massage. But I have done body massages, but 1 hour foot massage. This is gonna feel good. I don't know what got into me today. Got my hair cut, got a shave, and I told let's get a foot massage. My legs have been bothering me. Right there where she's at. It's really been bothering me. Even my feet. So we figured we'd come here, get a nice foot massage. How's your foot feel, Whit?
Good.
Good?
Thanks, Scott.
Yeah, Scott. My friend Scott recommended this place to me. So I figured, you know what? Let's go check it out. I'll give you prices and everything. I'll let you know where it's located in case you want to come here and get a nice foot massage. They do foot massages. They do full body massages. What else do you do?
We have scrub, foot scrub.
They have foot scrub.
Head and shoulder.
Head and shoulders.
We have Vietnam.
Vietnam?
Yeah.
What's that?
There's a facial, shaving, hair shampoo.
That's a Vietnam?
Yeah.
A facial?
Yeah.
What do you do? Just like massage the face?
No, we have facial scrub.
Oh, okay.
Cream.
Okay.
Toner, cleaning.
Okay. I'll have to get you guys prices. Like I said, location, but I'm definitely enjoying. All right, guys, so that, I'll tell you what, never had a foot massage, like just a 1 hour foot massage, right? Well, it was actually 2 feet. Half hour on the one foot in the calf area, half hour in the other. Boy, was that relaxing. It was nice just piano music playing. It smelled, well, at one point I could smell somebody was cooking something, and she told me it was from the restaurant right next to her, but boy, it was just relaxing. I'll take you in and I'll show you. The chairs are just so comfortable. They're like nice lazy boy reclining chairs that are soft, cushiony. But yeah, it was nice. Let me show you where this place is at. I actually seen this place being built probably a year or so ago, and I came in here one time and got prices and talked to them when they just opened. But like I said, my friend Scott, if you're watching, thanks. This place is nice. Let me show you where we're at. We're on A Santos Street, obviously. Straight up there is Walking Street. Lucifer's at the end there. Right down there to the left would be Margarita Station. No, Tequila Reef. My bad. I keep messing up. Tequila Reef. That's right. Breakfast, and you just walk down through here. Right there is the Wild Orchid, or the Wild Orchid Resort. Everybody knows the Wild Orchid Resort. Right there is one Euphoria, A Santos Street, and it's directly right across from the Wild Orchid. Right there it is. It says massage. This massage on the very front. I'm going to take you in there and I'll show you the inside area where you would sit and get your massage. But yeah, the staff here is really nice. I was talking to the girl inside and I asked her, what is your clientele? Do you get like a mix of people? You get Americans, you get whites, blacks, Koreans, Asians, Chinese. And she told me, she goes, we get a mix of everything in here. A lot of people will come from the Wild Orchid over to get a massage, and you know what I'm saying. So they get a mix of everybody inside. But anyways, let me walk across here. Here is their some of their fine staff. Hello, everybody. Oh, hide your face. There's look. What did you think of the foot massage?
Very good.
Was it good? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Did it relax you?
Yeah.
That was your first time too, getting like a foot massage. Yeah. So that was both Look and my first time getting a foot massage. They even offered us. What did they offer us? They offered water, like a bottle of water maybe, or some kind of juice or
and
tea or coffee. I don't know. They offered. I declined it. But yeah, I'll go in now and I'll show you inside. It's just called massage. That's all it says on the billboard sign up top. All right, guys, I'm in a massage parlor now. I want to be quiet because it says a sign that says shh, because you don't want to disturb anybody. There's one fella in here, but let me show you how nice this is here. Check it out, and nice air conditioning. The air conditioning is at 24 Celsius, so you're going to stay nice and cool. These are just different stations here. I would imagine this is for like a hair wash or something like that. I don't know how it all is. But look at these. These are really nice chairs. They're like a lazy boy. They're like, I mean, they even rock back and forth. They're nice and soft. They recline out. I don't know what all the stations are, what they're for, what kind of setups they're for, but you see it. It's nice in here. Big open area, some seating right here. When the girl did our massaging our feet, we actually sat over here on this side, and you see 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, okay, 12. Let's say 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 chairs. 10 nice chairs over here. Even have a cup if you want to sit and grab something to drink and sit here and drink while you're getting your foot massage. Different stations. Yeah, it says 10 on the wall, so 10 chairs. But really nice. And I think back in there is where the massages are, the massage rooms back in here. Here are your prices. Let me spin that around, please. That way you can see the American prices here. Here's all your prices right here. Oil massage, 1 hour, 500. Shih Tzu massage, 1 hour, 500. Hey, I don't know what that is. Just different massages, body scrubs. They even do a body scrub. But the most you're going to pay is 700 pesos for body scrub. Everything else is below that. Nail cuts and pedicures, 150 pesos. Shampoos. They do it all here. It's just really, really nice through here. They have all their licenses. That's all your licenses for everybody that works here. So everybody's good to go. They're all licensed. It's the real deal. So, but anyway, check it out. Really, really nice place. Kind of showed you where it was at. They even, I think one guy's getting his hair dyed here. You can get your hair dyed here too. But really nice. All right, guys, just think about this. Think about this real quick. There are other places down through here. Here's a nail place right here, right next to them. There's just multiple places that you can get your nails and your haircuts and massages and everything like that. But just think about this today. All right, this morning I went and got a shave up at Manny's, and I got a haircut. And I know some of you people say, well, your haircut is not a haircut. I got a haircut. A shave. He shaved my head, except for my patch in the middle, all right? So I got that. I got a shaved head, which is a little more than a regular haircut because he uses a straight razor and cuts it, and a shave, all right? Think about this. Let me let the noise go by. Think about this, guys. I got a haircut and a shave for 200, and now this is with a tip, 250 pesos. 250 pesos is less than $5 for a haircut and shave. Less than $5 with tip. Lut and I came down here, each got a 1 hour foot massage. Right? 1 hour foot massage. Right? With tip. With tip. It was 1,400 pesos. All right. So that is less than 1,400. That's about 25 bucks, give or take. Remember, with a tip. I was less than $20 for my massage and haircut. All right. It was like 10 bucks for her massage. Let's throw 12 bucks in there with a tip. That's what's so amazing about here in the Philippines. Things are cheap. There are massage places all over the Philippines, no matter where you go, any big city, even sometimes out in the provinces. If you go on trips to different places, Boracay, El Nido, wherever you go, there's places there that give massages. Now you can get cheap massages. What do I mean cheap? You get a cheap massage, I can get one right here in the city for, I don't know, maybe $299 pesos. Less than maybe $6, all right? All the way up. You're gonna pay for atmosphere. You're gonna pay for a person that really knows what they're doing instead of somebody just massaging your body. You know what I mean? These ladies in here definitely knew how to give a good foot massage. Now, the thing is, I can't compare it with another foot massage because I've never had a 1 hour foot massage until today, but they definitely knew what they were doing. That's what's great here. Things are cheap. You can get pampered here real cheap. What do nails cost? I don't even know. Look, gets her nails done. What do nails for women cost?
$3.
How much? $3. Is that your nails and your feet?
Yeah.
Nails and pedicure for like $3.
Yeah, $5 including tip.
Yeah, like $5 including tips. That's what's nice here. Things are cheap and reasonably priced. Nobody's here to make $1 million off you. Like back in the States, I don't know, what do they get for nails? I couldn't even tell you. You remember what you paid for nails back in the States?
20.
Like 20 bucks. I guarantee you, probably back in the States, you're probably looking at 40 bucks for a massage, if not more. So anyways, that is my day. Now I'm gonna go home and just relax. My whole body's relaxed right now. So, all right guys, I hope you liked this little video. It was something different, and we shall talk to you later. Make sure to stop in here. Check it out, straight across from the Wild Orchid Resort. You cannot miss it. It just says massage at the top. So, all right guys, we'll talk to you later.